Can I help you with something, sir? Can I help you with something?
No English.
Okay, you're blocking the walkway. You have to move over to the side. People are coming in and out. You can't stand at the gate.
No English.
You cannot stand here. You're blocking the walkway. Go to the side, sir. Thank you.
No English.
You need me to get somebody who speaks Spanish?
No Spanish.
So what do you speak? Because you got to move out the way. You got to move out the way. This way. I'm not going to ask you again. You got to move out the way.
Justice starts with awareness, and awareness begins with watching. Welcome to Watch UK, where we expose real encounters and teach how to stay calm, confident, and informed. Today's footage, courtesy of People's Court Audit, reveals how silence alone can challenge authority and expose ego. Let's dive straight into it.
Behind the barrier. I'm good. Go live. I don't know. I asked them to move for them to speak English. Now he understands. People record. You just can't. Get out of the walkway. Get out of the walkway. Get out of the walkway. Excuse me. Get out of the walkway. Get out of the walkway. He doesn't speak English.
¿Habla español?
No.
No.
But he's answering you in Spanish.
Spanish. ¿Qué es lo que necesita, señor?
No Spanish.
No Spanish? What can we help you with?
No English.
No English? No Spanish? What language you speak? You're speaking to me English right now, though. What can we help you with?
You cannot stand
If you
here.
want-
The encounter begins with confusion, or maybe strategy. The man's silence and language barrier test the officer's patience. Instead of hostility, he stands quietly, observing every reaction. It's a perfect example of how composure can flip control without a single word spoken. Calmness as silent power.
Want to film?
You gotta
Just
go on the
film on
side.
that side. There's a public street, public sidewalk, but don't block this here. Just go on this side. Matter of fact, just go on this side right here. I know you understand English. What do you need help with?
I don't know what that means. Credit card? I can't give you my credit card.
What do you need help with? If you're doing it for the likes, you can do it over here. I know you understand that part. Stay on the sidewalk right here. This is not blocking the pathway here, obstructing of traffic here. You can stand here, it's public. You get the likes all you want. Public sidewalk, public, you can sit here. Te puede parar aquí si quiere. Esto es del público. Aquí está bloqueando. Okay? You can record all you want, do your Instagram, do everything you want, do it for the likes, do whatever, you know, but do it here.
Here, the officer tries to regain control, offering directions, then sarcasm, do it for the likes. But the citizen stays still, unmoved. This moment shows how confidence and quiet restraint dismantle authority built on emotion. Sometimes, silence exposes more than arguments ever could.
You just gotta reach a certain amount to get money from the TikTok. So So you could just come over here. We could play this all day. At the end of the day, we see who wins.
Are you feeling okay today?
You alright?
Are you alright? Do you need medical attention? Is there something we can help you with?
We're trying to help you, but you're not talking to us. You
Do you
okay?
need a sign language interpreter? Do you not speak? We're trying to help you. I don't know what this, like, I don't know what kind of act or say. Are you okay?
All right.
Is there something we can help you with? As long as you're not blocking the walkway, you can stand on the sidewalk.
Yeah,
You
you
cannot
see it.
block this. This is a walkway for people to gain entrance. That's all I'm asking.
You can stay here all you want. Just don't block here. Right?
You guys respect yourselves?
Sorry?
You respect yourself?
We expect
Tension peaks as officers question the man's well-being, unsure if he's mute or simply choosing peace. Then, the tone shifts, a discussion on promises and rights emerges. The citizen reminds them, "You swore to protect my rights." A subtle but powerful shift, authority meets accountability.
us all respect everyone.
If you make a promise, do you keep it?
What happened?
If you make a promise, do you keep it?
I don't know how to go about that. There's a lot of
It's
promises
a yes
you
or no
can't keep,
question.
you can't
If you make a promise, do you keep it?
There's a lot of promises you can't keep. If you want to keep it 100.
If you make a promise, would you keep it?
All right, do you keep every promise?
Because you swore to protect my rights.
Okay, yeah, you can do it.
I have on camera a lady entering this without me blocking her.
Go
Right.
ahead.
I'm not blocking nobody's entrance or egress.
Okay.
As long as I'm not obstructing anything, I have a right to stand here.
Standing in the way,
But you couldn't help yourself, though.
All right, you can stay there.
Obviously, I don't want to talk to you. Obviously, I'm taking pictures.
Well,
So
yeah, you can
protect
take what
me.
you want. You can
So
take what you
protect
want.
me.
Yeah, you can take what you
Stop
want.
trying to exert authority that you don't have. There's no crime. So go back to work. Go 1098.
There's
Let me
nothing
get your
blocking,
card
right?
since your body camera's on. And identify yourself, suit. Identify yourself.
You're right.
Tuck that ego away and go back to work. I need your card since your body camera's on. Your body camera's on. And I need you to identify yourself. I'm conducting business. I'm trying to get your business card. I want you to
When asked for identification, Detective Battle finally complies, proof that calm persistence wins. The citizen holds ground respectfully, asserting rights without hostility. What starts as confrontation ends in education, awareness, respect, and record keeping, 3 tools that turn tension into truth.
identify yourself to me. You made contact. Who are you?
Why am I? You're blocking the street.
You made contact with me, sir. Who are you?
I'm Detective Battle.
From what command?
I don't have a command.
You have a badge
From
number?
From Intel.
How do you spell your last name? You said it real fast.
Battle.
Detective Battle.
Yes, you can stand on the sidewalk. It's public.
As long as I don't block this, people are
As long as
entering
you're
and
blocking, that's
exit.
correct.
All right
Public
then.
sidewalk.
So
You're
stop
allowed
trying to
to
tell
film.
me to stand on the sidewalk.
I'm explaining to you. I'm telling you, you're right.
I'm where I'm allowed to be.
You're right. You're
right.
right. Just don't
So
block
déjame
the
quieto.
pedestrians.
Thank you.
Okay.
Protect my rights. I'm recording in public. I'm recording. I'm recording in public. Watch this gentleman on camera exit freely. Watch him exit freely. Look at that. I didn't block nobody. The whole time I was standing here, I didn't block nobody.
Okay, so everything's good, right?
Detective Battle from where? What's your command? You don't have a command?
Intel.
Intel.
Okay.
Thank you. I need her car. She's breaking the law.
You're allowed to film.
Of course I am. If she doesn't identify herself, if she doesn't give me her car, she's breaking the law.
All right, sir.
You're law enforcement. Thank you. That's what I thought.
All right, just as long as everything's good, right?
I was chilling here quietly. Obviously, I didn't want to talk. That's why I said I don't speak English.
Well,
But then here you come with the likes and the views. You got to show your ego and disdain.
Not showing ego.
That's disdain.
Because we're trying to talk
That's
to you, you're not
disdain. I don't
talking
have
to
to talk to you ever.
us. Okay.
I never have to speak to you.
Okay.
As long as I'm not committing a crime, I'm good.
Exactly. Nobody said you committed
Right.
crime. You're
So
not
all
detained,
the
you're
you're
not-
doing this for likes and clicks and views.
You're
If
not
you
doing-
think
but a
that
lot
I'm
of people
doing it
do
for
that.
clicks
A lot
and
of people
views,
do that.
why stand in front of my
All right.
camera?
All right, sir. Obviously, there was no altercation.
Why not
there,
look
no
good?
nothing.
Why not look good
You're
on camera?
You're good. I think
Hide
you're
your this. No, all that giving your opinion in uniform. You're not supposed to give opinion in
good.
uniform.
You're blocking the sidewalk.
I was blocking anything. Everything's on camera. Hide your disdain. Keep your opinion to yourself. See you later, Smith.
In the end, both sides walk away, but But the lesson remains, knowing your rights isn't defiance, it's defense. So what do you think? Did the officer handle this fairly, or did the citizen stand strong for his rights? Share your thoughts below and stay tuned for more real-world encounters here on Watch UK. Stay aware. Stay calm. Stay informed.